Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deposit crypto into OnJuno. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $50 bonus after setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Portfolio. On the Portfolio tab, you will see a button for Deposit Crypto. Click on Deposit Crypto. Now, select the asset you wish to deposit. So far, there are only 4 cryptos available in OnJuno: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and MUSD. Click on the asset you wish to deposit. Now a QR code will be created, as well as a wallet address. Scan the QR code from your external wallet, or just copy and paste the wallet address. Then just follow the further instructions that will be shown to initiate the deposit. That's how to deposit crypto into OnJuno. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.